Are you tired of competing in the crowded mobile mechanic market? Imagine a steady stream of eager customers calling you directly. Keep watching to discover how you can transform your business. At US Mobile Mechanic Leads, we specialize in connecting skilled mobile mechanics with high-quality phone call leads that convert into loyal customers. Our dedicated approach not only boosts your brand but also ensures a steady stream of business, allowing you to focus on what you do best, providing top-notch auto repair services. We understand the challenges you face, from increasing competition to the need for rapid customer acquisition. That's why we offer expert lead generation services that do more than just bring leads, they bring the right leads. Every phone call you receive is from an eager customer looking for the exact services you offer. This direct connection dramatically increases the chances of converting inquiries into actual service calls. At US Mobile Mechanic Leads, we employ a targeted SEO approach tailored to the mobile mechanic industry, enhancing your online visibility and making it easier for customers throughout the USA to find your services. Our reach is nationwide, allowing you to expand your service area without the need for physical branches. Whether you're based in a bustling city or a quieter town, our lead generation service bridges the gap between you and your potential customers. Our leads are exclusively yours. We never share them with other businesses, ensuring you don't compete for the same customer. This exclusivity leads to higher conversion rates and a better return on your investment. Our team is here to support you every step of the way. From setting up your campaign to optimizing your lead flow, we are committed to your success. Boost your brand and expand your reach with US Mobile Mechanic Leads. Connect with us today, and let's drive your business forward, one lead at a time.